Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new. Oh my god, my radio's still on, hang on. Alexa, shut up. Alexa, I'm sorry for telling you to shut up.
That's alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, welcome. Hi, I'm Finn, I post videos mainly about once a week. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I've got a really exciting video. So my Birchbox February box came today. I wasn't expecting it to come. So basically yesterday I checked the shipping and it said we're ready to send your box soon, and then this morning checked the shipping again, it said it hadn't been dispatched yet, and then 2 hours later there's a knock knock at my door. So my Birchbox is here. I have absolutely spoiled it for myself though, because I already know what's inside. I have no sense of surprise when it comes to just me. I can't surprise myself. I love surprises from other people, but I'm rambling anyway. So let's look at the Birchbox. Let's see what I've got inside it. If you know nothing about Birchbox, you probably do because you're here. But if you know nothing, basically it's a subscription box. So the box itself is £10. You get inside 5 beauty products. Some are full size, some are samples, and then you have to pay £2.95 for shipping, I think. If you want anything else, I'll just drop it in the description box because I want to get into the products. I'm too excited, so that's what we're going to do. Let me go get a pair of scissors. Pink delivery box, but then on the inside every month's different. So last month it was a marble, like rosy gold effect, but this month it's cute because it's the month of love, Cupid and hearts and all things cute and pink. Oh, it is adorable. Come on. I don't know what it is with these, but I just really struggle opening them. It's like I need more than scissors. I need like an industrial chainsaw. They come like little drawers so you can stack them on top of each other. But this month's is covered in hearts. How cute! So that's what we've got. How adorable! It's just so cute. Put it open. I just love the smell of new things. I don't know why. Inside the Birchbox you get your little cheat sheet, so it sort of tells you what you've got in it, how much everything is. This is what we have inside. So cute and adorable, and I don't know why I have a little pouch of bubble wrap, just ASMR. First thing I've got in here is the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. Looks a little bit like that. It is a sample size, unfortunately, but you know, I'm not that fussed. And this says Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So I'm guessing you just pop this on your skin. Probably does something nice. It says on the back, not tested on animals, which is good. I quite like that. The next thing we've got is the Exfoliating Jelly Shampoo. This looks sick. How awesome is that? That's sick. This also has the cruelty-free bunny on the back. There you go. And this, this is obviously also a sample size. It's not going to be that size, is it? But it'll be nice to try. I don't actually use shampoos as much anymore. I use shampoo bars, but it'll be nice. What does it smell of? Oh, tried to sniff it. It's got a bloody cap on it. Oh my god. Shut up. That smells insane. Wow. No. Okay, I can't wait to use that. I don't even know how to explain that scent to you, but that smells so good. The next thing we've got, I actually had to pick what shade I wanted. So it's the Botanic Beauty Blush. This is what it looks like. So this is in the shade Pink Freesia, and I think that's full sized. Oh look, actually let me peel that out. It's got a little flower embossed into it. Open. Look at the little flower. Oh, it's like a rose embossed inside. That's so cute. So yeah, we've got that. That actually smells really nice as well. Yeah, that's quite pink, but I reckon that you could really blend that out and make like a really pretty, I don't know. At the moment I'm using the Revolution ones, but it's cute anyway. The next thing we've got is the Lord and Berry Lip Liner. What shade's this in? Vintage Rose, so looks a little bit like that. There we go. That actually feels really, really nice. I can't wait to try this. Next thing we've got is the Vitamasks. Am I reading that right? Vitamask Lip Plump and Repair lip mask, which looks a little bit like that. I still don't know what to think about masks because they're all single use. You throw them away, but I'll try it anyway. And I've heard good things about this, but I've heard even better things about this. So this is the spacemask.com Interstellar Relaxation, which looks a little bit like that. These are like heating masks, so I think you put it on your eyes and it like warms, which I'm not really sure what it's meant to do. Wow, the ingredients are really minimal in this. Essence of rose and iron powder. That's so minimal. So anyway, you put it on your eyes, it warms up, makes you feel all relaxed, all cute, all dandy. To recap, the 2 face masks, then we've got the little clay mask, the shampoo, the blusher, and oh, I'm running out of hand room, and the lip liner, and that was all for, including P&P, £12.95. I think that's what I pay anyway. So anyway, that's what we've got with all of that. Hopefully it works really well. If you got anything different in your Birchbox, please let me know in the comments what you got, because I love to see like what everyone got. It's a shame sometimes when someone gets something that you'd rather have had, but if you got anything different, just let me know so that I know for the future. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a good thumbs up because it helps me, and maybe consider subscribing because that helps me too. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and bye. Oh shit, I just hit my camera. I should never have done that.